Warren Buffett, one of the greatest investors of all time, is admired not just for his wealth, but for the timeless principles and disciplined habits that built it. To think like Warren Buffett is to embrace a mindset grounded in patience, discipline, and long-term vision. His success is less about complex strategies and more about consistent habits that any investor can adopt. 1. Long-term thinking. One of Buffett's core philosophies is to invest for the long term. He famously said, "Our favorite holding period is forever." Instead of chasing short-term market trends or reacting emotionally to volatility, Buffett focuses on the intrinsic value of businesses. He buys companies he believes will grow steadily over decades. This habit of long-term thinking shields investors from panic during downturns and encourages smarter decisions. 2. Deep research and understanding. Buffett never invests in something he doesn't understand. He spends a significant portion of his day reading financial statements, annual reports, and news about companies. This habit of continuous learning and due diligence allows him to make informed decisions. For the average investor, this means taking time to understand the fundamentals of a stock before investing. 3. Value investing. Buffett follows the principles of value investing, originally taught by his mentor, Benjamin Graham. This means buying undervalued companies, those trading below their intrinsic value. Buffett looks for companies with strong fundamentals, good management, and predictable earnings, but trading at a discount. The lesson here is to focus on quality, not hype. 4. Emotional discipline. Markets are driven by fear and greed. Successful investors, like Buffett, maintain emotional discipline. He advises being fearful when others are greedy and greedy when others are fearful. This means staying calm during crashes and being cautious during bubbles. Avoiding impulsive decisions and sticking to a well-thought-out plan is a hallmark of Buffett's strategy. 5. Living below. Despite being a billionaire, Buffett lives a modest life. He still resides in the same house he bought decades ago and avoids unnecessary luxuries. This habit of frugality allows him to save and invest more. For investors, this reinforces the idea that wealth comes not just from earning, but from wisely managing and growing what you have. 6. Focus on quality. Buffett doesn't chase trendy or speculative investments. Instead, he focuses on companies with strong brands, durable competitive advantages, and consistent profitability, like Coca-Cola, Apple, and American Express. The lesson? Invest in businesses you believe in and that have the strength to last. 7. Patience and consistency. Buffett's wealth didn't appear overnight. It grew steadily over decades due to compounding. He stayed consistent with his strategy and let time do the heavy lifting. Patience combined with consistency is perhaps the most powerful habit any investor can develop. Thinking like Warren Buffett means shifting your focus from short-term gains to long-term value. It's about staying informed, avoiding emotional decisions, and embracing the power of patience and discipline. While not everyone can become a billionaire investor, anyone can apply these habits to achieve financial success over time. As Buffett often says, the stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient. Be the patient one. If you like this video, click the like button and subscribe to our Investor Insights channel, and hit the bell icon. You will never miss an update.